Hi there, it's Imran from Car Sound Security in East London. Just thought I'd share a quick video with you. Just finished installing a massive 9-inch Android screen on this VW Golf 2009 MK6. So I'll just pan here. This is the original stereo just here, which has been removed, and we've replaced it with this great looking Android screen, which again, it's a 9-inch screen. It's all full touch as well, so really smooth and operating system. So you've got loads of different apps available on here. So basically you can use your phone's hotspot and tether to the unit itself, so therefore you'll be able to go on something like Google. You can browse the internet, you can go on Facebook, you can check your emails. So many different sort of functions you've got on there as well. You've got YouTube just there as well. Basically, you know, watch YouTube video, etc. Works while you're driving. Have to say it's strictly for passenger viewing only. Yeah, different ones. There's loads of different sort of like car information as well. So let's go here. So you get your car information. If I open the door, you can see it's just highlighted in red on the driver's side drawer. So yeah, loads of different features on here as well. It works with all the original steering wheel controls as well. So if I just turn it up here, you can see that basically going up and down. Volume control as well. You've got Play Store just there, so you can download stuff like Spotify, Waze, all bits and bobs like that, and you know, connect it to your through your hotspot. So you've got easy connection here as well, which is basically I haven't got it connected at the moment, but you can mirror your phone wirelessly straight to the screen as well. So if there's any bits, you know, anything you want to view from your phone on the screen, you can do as well. So yeah, it's really good. So yeah, so if you're interested in getting something like this done on your vehicle, then get in contact with us on the details below. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.